Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of school planner really good settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about school planner and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.